My mom threw my plants away. Funny, but not funny. I'm going to tell you what happened. I'm Shirley, and I'm a country girl. Gardening for the first time. I'm going to tell you what happened as you watch me work in my garden on today. I started my garden about, I think, 3 weeks ago. I planted some seeds in a pot. And I said that once they sprouted, that I will put them in the ground. Well, if you look at one of my videos, or my early videos that I did, which I'll put the link so you can watch that one, that some of them did sprout. And so I was waiting to put them in the ground. Well, one day when I came home from work, my mother decided that they were, let me see what she said. She said they looked like they were not going to make it. And you would not believe what my mother did. She threw them out. She removed them from the pot. And when I asked her, so what did you do with them? She said, I don't know. I said, well, what did you throw them at? She said she didn't know. So, hence, I decided to go back to the store and buy some more seeds. And this is me. This time I said, I'm just going to put them in the ground and not let them sprout in the pot. I was so upset and so mad because she did not even remember where she threw them at. So I asked her, where's the soil? She said she put the soil back into the bag. But I looked for the bag and I didn't even find the bag. Now my mother does suffer with early dementia. So I couldn't be so upset or too upset with her. But that's what happened to my first plants. Well, some of my first plants. But this time I decided to put them in the ground. So that's my little story. I'm going to link the video so you guys can see how they had sprouted real good. Not all of them had sprouted, but some did. So, thank you guys for watching my garden journey and listening to my story as I work in my garden. I came out to water my garden. Get my little strawberries and clean them up. Let's see, I think these are cucumbers. Let's turn this around. My cucumbers came up. These are my string beans. They came up and sprouted. And these are my carrots. Carrots hasn't did anything We're gonna try it.